What do you hope to achieve with an accident lawsuit? Let me ask the question a different way. What do you hope to accomplish by bringing a lawsuit on your behalf? Would you like to learn why I'm asking this critical question? Come join me as I share with you this information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial attorney practicing law in the state of New York. Today I'm coming to you from Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, where I had an opportunity to lecture to some really smart attorneys. And as I was talking to the attorneys, I kept asking myself, when somebody is involved in an accident and now they're contemplating bringing a lawsuit, what do they actually hope to achieve? And that's something that I ask many of my clients. You know why? Because I want to understand the motivation underlying why they're bringing a case. You know, many people think that injured victims are sue happy, that they do anything, that they will sue for any reason whatsoever. And what I've found by asking this question is just the opposite. The reality is that most of the people who bring lawsuits, they don't want the compensation. Can you imagine that? What do they want? They want to prevent people from doing this harm again. They want to make sure this type of thing doesn't happen again. Virtually every single injured victim who comes to me tells me, I'm not doing this for the money. I want to make sure this particular harm does not happen again. Obviously, the only thing that these injured victims can recover is compensation. It's a debt that they have incurred as a result of somebody else's carelessness. They want to get back on with their lives. They want to go back to the way they were before. They want to continue going on, and they want to make sure this type of behavior, this type of activity never ever happens again. So when I ask the question, what do you hope to achieve by bringing a lawsuit? It's not designed to prevent you from bringing a case, but it's rather to get you to understand what your goals are. But more importantly is, what are you trying to accomplish and achieve by bringing a lawsuit? Is it designed to prevent the harm that you suffered? Is it designed to protect somebody else in the future? Those are all admirable goals, and that's something that we strive to accomplish. But the reality is, these injured victims are looking for more than that. They're looking for more than just the compensation. They're looking for hope, because they want a better life now, because now they're disabled and they're permanently injured. And now they have to suffer and go through the tragedy of rehabilitation and ongoing medical care, and their lives are disrupted. And what would they like nothing more to do? To go back to the way their lives were before this horrible injury occurred. So why do I share this quick information with you? It's something I was thinking about as I'm sitting here talking to these really smart attorneys, and it's something that comes up every single day when I talk to injured victims. Chances are you have questions or concerns about your own particular legal matter, and if your matter happened in New York and you do have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. This is something I do every single day, and I welcome your call. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at Oginski-law.com. Well, that's it for today's quick video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.